Hey there, people. How's it going? And we're going to be talking about today is the Orajel training toothpaste. Now, this is toothpaste for children, small children, when they first get their teeth. It's to get them used to actually using an actual toothpaste to brush their teeth. Now, because a child can't really brush their teeth right, brush and, put water in their mouth, slush it around, and spit it out into the sink, they need to be able to brush their teeth and swallow the toothpaste. Now, this is what that does. See, the cap just came off, but this is what that does. Now, this is a toothpaste that's just for little kids. It's used between the ages of like 2 to about 4 years old. Yeah, after that, your kids should be training to actually use the toothpaste grown-ups use. This is a brand new one. My kids have been using this, all of my kids started off using this kind, this Orajel kind. It's very tasty to the child. I tried it just to see what it tastes like. I mean, my son really likes it a lot, and he likes it even. I mean, he's tasted like actual toothpaste, the regular kind, and this, and he likes this better. I have no idea why, because to me, it really doesn't taste good to me. I mean, it's like, oh my God. I mean, regular toothpaste just tastes so much better to me. So, but this is brand new. Oh, let me show you the consistency. So you take off the aluminum part that's on the top, you peel that off, and then you can see this is clear. See, it's a clear toothpaste. Yeah, see? It's kind of the thickness of a regular toothpaste. The same consistency pretty much, but it just doesn't taste the same. Kids like it. I mean, my son really prefers this over the regular toothpaste. I really don't know why. It's really good for keeping your kids' teeth clean. It's sugar-free. And like I said, it's safe to swallow, and it's fluoride-free. Yeah, it's really, really good. I've been using Orajel for all my children when they were of that young age, under 4 years old. And yeah, actually the dentist turned me on to this, that he could actually even use it after 4 years old. But I figured, after 4, he should, get more in the practice of, using a regular toothpaste. I mean, he's getting older now, so yeah, Orajel training toothpaste was right up his alley. When I introduced it to my son first time, he took to it right away. It wasn't like, oh, he has to get used to the taste or anything. He liked it right away. There's no artificial coloring because you see that it's clear, and it's really safe. Now, it also comes in different little characters. My son prefers the PAW Patrol one, but there is, others like just different characters. There's a feminine one with I think it's a unicorn or something on the front that's kind of more for girls, and it's more feminine. My son prefers the PAW Patrol. It's more manly. Yeah. So yeah, he enjoys this a lot, and it's going to be kind of tough getting him off of this and onto the regular toothpaste, because he just feels that this is better. Now, when you're using this, it doesn't lather up like a regular toothpaste does. The regular toothpaste, you have like a mouthful of foam. This doesn't do that. I mean, you'll get a little tiny bit of lather, but very little, you know. Most of the time it's like going on clear. Just scrub, scrub, you know. And as they swallow it, kid may try to suck on the toothbrush, you know. Just make sure, like, if it looks like they're sucking on it, just pull the toothbrush out of their mouth, because you'll have to put more of this on there because they're gonna have a tendency to want to swallow it right away. And on the toothbrush, you only put like a pea size amount on there. So that's plenty. Yeah. So yeah, this is good. This is a really good way to get your kids tuned into adults brush their teeth. All right. Well, we've been talking about the Orajel training toothpaste. All right. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay. Bye-bye.